collaboration, and innovation, which are essential for the prosperity of Ummah. Enhancing collaboration between OIC nations is imperative to addressing the resolving all common challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, the definition of national security is evolving beyond traditional military threats to include a broader range of issues. The modern discourse now also encompasses threats to water, food, energy, and environment as a matter of national security. This is the recognition of the fact that addressing and resolving these emerging challenges is critical to a nation's development, stability, survival, and security. The security of water, food, and energy resources is paramount to securing the future of coming generations. The situation is particularly acute in the OIC countries where rapid population growth, urbanization, and environmental degradation are putting immense pressure on our natural resources. In Pakistan, we are acutely cognizant of these issues. Given that agriculture plays a vital role in Pakistan economy, water is critical to our agriculture productivity and overall food security. Similarly, energy being the backbone of industrialization is essential for increasing exports and driving economic growth. The water, energy, food nexus is therefore central to the progress of prosperity of Pakistan and the Muslim Ummah as a whole. Addressing the aforementioned challenges, their timely resolution is also crucial for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). These goals offer a comprehensive framework to transform adversity into opportunity and foster innovation and research essential for the advancement of well-being of nations. The issues that this conference aims to highlight and address are cross-cutting and not confined to a single region or country. Therefore, it is our collective responsibility to combine our synergies and build partnership, not only address these issues effectively, but also help fulfill our national commitments to SDGs. Ladies and gentlemen, I have always been an avid proponent of proactive policies and initiatives to promote sustainable development and ensure equitable distribution of resources. My stance is clear. Science and technology must serve as a pivot for social justice and economic empowerment. National climate change policy, conceived and adopted during my tenure as Prime Minister, provided a framework for integrating climate considerations into national development planning. This policy outlines measures to enhance water resource management, promote renewable energy, and strengthen disaster risk management. I take immense pride in the fact that many climate-related projects by successive governments stem from the foundational work laid down by this policy. Ladies and gentlemen, I envision future of OIC nations whereby scientific research drives sustainable development, whereby innovation addresses environmental, food, water, and energy-related challenges, and whereby every citizen has the opportunity to contribute to the benefit from scientific advancements. The vision demands sharing of expertise, resources, and scientific innovation to build up collective resilience to respond since The challenges we face transcend national borders and require concerted action. The Forum of Parliament, by virtue of its constitutional authority, can play a pivotal role in ensuring the policies and laws are effectively formulated and implemented in the line with our national aspirations and international commitments. In this regard, I strongly urge the Parliamentary Union of OIC member countries, PUIC, to proactively push sustainable development agendas through legislative interventions, House debates, and relevant parliamentary committees. This we must prioritize to ensure that our policies and laws are aligned with the principle of innovations and sustainability. The PUIC members also need to promote science diplomacy by initiating collaborative initiatives and sharing of good practices between parliaments, friendship groups, and relevant committees. This can be game changer in our common endeavor